What we do here is go back.
Today we are going to be talking about vision boards. So a vision board is, best way to describe it, it's like a collage of pictures, a collection of pictures that represent your goals and what you want most out of life. Hi guys, welcome to Keziah's Corner. My name is Keziah, and if you're here, that means you are ready to make this year the year for you. And you're probably here to make yourself the best you that you can be too. Now, whether you found my videos online to research, or maybe you were suggested, or maybe I'm just on your autoplay, whatever the case, you're here now. First of all, a little disclaimer, I have never made a vision board before, but this is like not something that you should be worried about, because I have a magical superpower, people. I have the power to manifest. I am very good at making things happen. I mean, take for example my theatre company, Tailspin Theatre. We've been going at this point for just over a year. Within that time, we've produced 2 major productions, one of which went down to London, so we had our London debut within that time. We've also toured nationally, going into schools, care homes, nurseries, places like that. We did 28 shows altogether. Now, this Christmas just gone, 2019, we did, are you ready for this? This is the last week of November to the week of Christmas, the week leading up, so up to Christmas Eve. We did 198 shows in total. Now, what you need to do to make your vision board is think about the things that you want. You need to make a list. You need to have your goals. You need to visualize them, work, and then actualize. I want you to think of your goals. Write a list of all the things that you want. It could be a new car, to travel more, maybe it's a new house, or maybe it's just to have a better sense of well-being. To visualize what you want. I want you to sit and think about things you want. I want you to see yourself in that new car. You need to see yourself in that new house. You need to see yourself standing near the Tower of Pisa eating pizza. Pizza. Next thing you want to do, get on Google and find pictures that inspire you. So, for example, I got a whole lot of pictures off of Google that really inspired me. Everything from pictures of the kind of work that I want to do, the places I want to go to, and some fun little pieces like this. Because there's no point in doing all that work if it's not fun. In the words of Marie Kondo, I want it to spark joy.
In the words of Marie Kondo, I want it to spark joy.
I literally went on Google to find lots of pictures of all the things that I want out of life and what I want my career to go like. So, for example, I want to do more workshops, I want to redecorate my entire house, and I want to eat more healthy, things like this. And I got them printed off at my local library and cut them out and put them onto a foam board. Now, a foam board is going to cost you like £7-8, something like that, for a decent big sized one to fit everything that you're going to want on there. It's going to cost about £7-8. You can have a look at my vision board.
Okay guys, so here is my vision board for this year. So having a look, first impressions, I've got quite a few quotes on there. Starve your distractions. If there's one thing I'm willing to bet on, it's myself. Okay, so I want to do a lot more filming this year. I want to tour a whole new area. I've also put this up as well to stop me from being lazy. Don't feel entitled to success, feel empowered to earn it, to give me that push, to give me that drive. I want to do a lot more work in Europe. Even though we're leaving, I want to do more work there. I want to do a lot more educational shows. I want to make money because I want to be able to eat and pay like rent for a nicer place. And I want to do a Shakespeare. Who doesn't want to do a Shakespeare? And look at that, some little quotes there. If you want to make something for yourself, work harder than everybody else does. Okay, and here I want to completely redecorate my place. That's the kind of vision I'm looking for. It's already white. I want to have it redone completely, and get, you know, some new sort of like look to it. I'm looking a bit of a weird combination, but I'm looking for like bohemian minimalist. So if you know any good videos that show some really good bohemian minimalist look bedrooms, please put the links in the comments below for me, because that'd be amazing. I'd love to see those. Of course, I've got Marie Kondo, Spark Joy. These are the women that kind of inspire me. Lily Singh, I bought her book, How to Be a Boss, or especially How to Be a Boss, you know, and that's kind of helped me realise quite a few things with my business. There's, of course, Liza Koshy, because I just think every time she comes into the room, she's just like this amazing ball of positive energy. I love that about her. And then there's Mr. Kate. She's so creative. She's given me a lot of inspiration to do a lot of things, and, you know, she's given me a little bit of a push to do different things as well. I want to have my own recording studio in my house, so you'll have to see if that happens for me. Again, a lot more filming work. Now, a tough one for me, because I am a gutsy one. I love my cake.
We like cake. We like cake.
I like cake though. I do. I just like cake.
I like it a lot.
I want to get fit. I don't want to be skinny. Like, it's not a thing about, oh, I want to be skinny, I don't want to be fat. That's a lot of rubbish. I just want to be happy within myself and get healthier and fitter, and to build a bit of muscle mass so that I'm a lot stronger and I've got a lot more like stamina. Well, that sounds really bad. I have a bit more stamina to like for my work, because I'm touring, it's very hard work. I want to eat more healthy. This is about me time. So as you can see, I've got my little doggies on there. So there's my little Coney Corn and my little Brody Bob. And there's my little Brody Bob. He's been quite ill recently, so I want to spend a lot more time with him. Now, also, if you have a look, I've put some bin bags on there. That is me, as a symbolism for me cleaning up my life and getting rid of the trash, taking out the trash. Now, this picture, I thought I'd put some pictures of me on my vision board, because this is when I got my hair cut. I hadn't had it cut for ages, and it felt so good. It was kind of cathartic getting my hair cut. It was really long, like down to my bum, and I got it cut to shoulder length, so it was a really nice sigh of relief. And here is alcohol, of course. I want to drink some nice alcohol, not like anything nasty and get drunk. Just want to enjoy myself. Afternoon teas, I have more time for that. Eat more healthy. I saw this picture of this woman and I wanted to be her. She looks so happy with her asparagus. I want to be that happy with asparagus. And of course, I want to take time to be able to sit somewhere and just think about the world. Yeah, that kind of stuff. Okay, this is a big one. My Irish citizenship. I want to become an Irish citizen and get my Irish passport. So you can double check here if I get this. I will post a video as soon as I get my passport. I am working on it at the moment. I have to gather lots of birth certificates together of my granddad, of my mum, and of myself. And yeah, so to prove my Irish lineage. I want to do a lot more travelling. I really want to go to Edinburgh. I've driven through it and I have Scottish heritage, but I've never been. Like, I went on a tour once back in 2009. Oh God, that's like over 10 years ago. And when I was on tour, we had a chance to stay in overnight, but the girl who's a tour driver did not want to stay, and we drove past it, and she was like, "Hi guys, there's Edinburgh. Wave at it as you drive past the castle. Thank you for that." Okay, and then I've got Athens. I really want to go back. I went there back in 2012, 2013, it was 2013. I want to go back to Athens. I've never seen this. I went to Athens. I've never seen the theatre. I think it's in Athens. I need to double check it. But yeah, and I've put this picture of myself back in 2012 when I went to Amsterdam with "Oh, the places you'll go," because I love to travel and I want to do a lot more of it. There's my YouTube and my social media. My message was that it's not about getting followers or anything like that. For me, it's about doing things on social media that make me happy and keeping out the negative stuff. I've on occasion get some negative comments, which is like, okay, you do you, hon, you do you. And just maybe me taking stock of it and not taking it personally and just getting a grip of it. And only put things on that spark joy. Okay, I think that's everything. Oh, and this is my favourite quote. It's a Mr. Cake quote. It is make no harm but take no you know what I'm saying. Yeah, so, and in case I ever think I can't do it, that's me showing that I can.
Now I hate to break it to you, it's completely going to ruin your aesthetic. Me, I'd hung mine at the end of my bed, so it's the first thing I see when I get up, and it's the last thing I see before I go to bed at night. And I get to look at it before I go to sleep and think of all the wonderful things that I want to do. But these dreams will not work unless you do. All this is for is to give you that positive push, that focus. All that is there for is to remind you of what you want. And you need to go out and get it yourself. You need to work hard. Like that really cheesy, annoying Instagram quote always says, dreams don't work unless you do. And if you work hard and let that board give you that inspiration, you are going to get what you want and you're going to have your dreams realised.
In the words of Marie Kondo, I want it to spark joy.
Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. It's been amazing. Please let me know if I've inspired you to make your own vision board. Give us a like and subscribe. So hit a little like button and then give a little subscribe. That would be amazing. And please do drop your links in the comments so I can see your vision boards and see everything that you're up to. It'd be amazing to connect with you and just to get to know you all and to see what sort of creative things you're all up to. Bye everybody.